Hi, my name is Sam and I'm one of the keepers here at Zoo and Dinosaur World, and today I'm going to tell you a little bit about our prairie dogs.
Black-tailed prairie dogs are a ground-living squirrel. These species has a brown body and a distinctive black tail. They are native to Northern America and Canada. They take their name from their prairie grassland habitat and their alarm call, which sounds similar to a dog's bark. They are burrowing rodents, feeding on leaves, roots, stems, and occasionally insects. Prairie dogs are very social and live in large colonies or towns made up of family units, and show intimate social behaviour like kissing and grooming one another. A prairie dog town can contain 15 to 25 family groups. They have many different vocal calls, including a Pacific predator call, as well as a quite amusing territorial call called the jump yip, where they jump straight in the air while making the call. The female's gestational period is around 34 days, and they will have 3 to 4 pups. They are born naked with their eyes closed. On average, they live for about 4 years. In captivity, they can live up to 8. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please ask one of our keepers here.